this video, we're going to be replacing the rear main seal, also known as the crankshaft seal, on this engine. And so the tools you're going to need are obviously a replacement seal, so make sure you have one before you do this job. And then in addition to that, the tools that I use in order to get out the old one, which is this guy right here, are a drill and a drill bit, as well as a screw, and then I use a pry bar in order to pry out this thing. You want to be really careful when you're drilling into it, because you just want to drill straight down perpendicular into this thing, because you want to avoid scratching up any of the metal behind this thing or the crankshaft itself. So be really careful when you're doing it, but basically you drill into it just a pilot hole, then you screw in a screw, and once you get that screw in, you can just pry off in order to separate this thing from the actual engine block and the crankshaft. And then when you put in the new one, what you're going to be doing is gently lubing up the inner diameter of this thing. I use motor oil, and it is going to be just sitting right in, and I use a 3/8 inch ratchet extension, and I just hammer in a circle to try to get this thing to gently go down. And so those are the things we're going to be doing, and we'll cut to some clips where you can actually see how we got this job done, and I hope it helps. All right, there you go.